So we got some feedback from our tech support in regards to a lot of people saying that their throttle pedals are stiff. We pulled down a Ranchero here. We're going to show you the throttle linkage. This is the Ultra Port system. However, this will apply to any of the 4-barrel throttle bodies. I want to show you how the throttle linkage is hooked up over here on this system, and then how you can improve it using one of our part numbers. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for more content like this, and let's dive in. All right, so here we are under the hood. Here's our Ultra Port EFI system. All of the FiTech 4-barrel throttle bodies have a similar throttle linkage. This system has the ball hooked up down here on the available hole where that throttle ball fits. But one of the things that we can do is we can move up to this top 1/2-inch hole. FiTech offers a really nice kit called the 60002. It's a throttle body installation kit. So this kit comes with your carb studs and nuts, that throttle bushing, as well as an air cleaner adapter and stud. So it gives you everything that you need to put your air cleaner on, bolt the throttle body down. But we're going to install that throttle bushing in here right now, and we're going to show you how simple it is and how it is so easy to make your throttle linkage move up higher, which lightens the load on the throttle pedal, so it's easier to open the throttle in the vehicle. In the kit, we got all of our carb studs and the air cleaner stud. But in this hardware bag, I got our small little throttle bushing and a washer. We're going to use some of the throttle ball. We're not going to use all the hardware, but we're going to show you how easy it is just to use this throttle bushing and modify how to hook up the system. So we got our 2 parts. I'm going to pop off our throttle ball. We're going to loosen up the ball. Don't want to drop anything here. But now I got my ball. I'm going to stack my washer. I got my throttle bushing on the back side. Going to put our nylock nut back on, and we're going to tighten it back down. So now we got our throttle cable hooked up to the top. Our throttle load's going to be much lighter in the vehicle, and it's going to make it a much more enjoyable experience with driving with that lighter load. This specific system, this vehicle, it really wasn't that bad. However, when you start doing the dual quad systems and the 6-pack systems from us, or if you're using a throttle return spring on top of it, I know that's required for some racing sanctions. But moving up to the highest point up on the throttle linkage is the way to lighten that throttle pedal. So as simple as that. All right, so there you have it. The throttle pedal is nice and soft now, easy for cruising. If you have any other recommendations on videos that we can record for you guys, definitely let us know in the comment section below. Also, check out all the videos that we have going on. We have videos on everything that you can imagine with FiTech systems and many more to come.